Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, we will learn how can we convert our Word file into PDF file in a matter of few seconds. So in this example, I have the ESV69 Word file. If I double click to open this file, and this is my Word file which I would like to convert into PDF, but don't want to lose any formatting of this text. So what I will do, I will go to File and then go to Save As option, and then first I'll go to browse to select the location where I would like my file to be. So I would like to keep the file in the same location where the Word file was, just change with point 1 to make it different from the other file. And save as type, if I go to drop down and you can see the option PDF, if I click this one and press save, now it will convert my Word file into PDF file. Now you can see it has converted my Word file into PDF file and it didn't lose any formatting, like this text was bold and italic, so it's still the same as like in the Word document. So hit the like button if you like this video and let me know if this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.